probably struggle to break 8500, 8480, 8470, 80 is that level, which it may not break in this leg of the move. It may not even break 8380. So that 100 points, it may spend the next few days or weeks in this zone and wait for some clearer signals. So in that sense, I don't have a clear view on the Nifty, but stock specific is the way to be, and I am more positive than negative.
Okay, if I have to really, talk about the stock of the day, Amrish Baliga, it has to be Bajaj Auto.
Right.
Numbers were not all that impressive, but the stock was on a tear. When was the last time Bajaj Auto appreciated by 100 rupees plus?
No, that's true, but we should remember that the numbers are not really impressive, but they were better than what the market was expecting, because the markets were expecting dismal numbers. And this, we should remember that January to March, the sort of monthly sales figures were quite poor compared to its peers. And April numbers were much, much better. So I think people are looking at April to June numbers, which should be better than what they have done in the recent past. And because of which, I think we have seen this up move. And especially when the numbers were better than what was expected.
Sandeep, do you think there's a case technically to see the stock go higher from here, because it's been such a ranked underperformer?
Tanvir, yes. The way it has broken out of the 2250 zones does suggest that there is some more upside to the tune of 2450. And on the downside, 2250 will act as a very, very strong support. It is closed at around 2300. So I would talk of short-term momentum. In fact, yesterday the way it was setting up, it was a little weak, and I thought it would go down to 2100, but that did not happen. Probably the results are far, far better than what the market was expecting. And anyway, reasons follow later, but price and volume built up wise, I would talk of levels of anywhere between 24 and 2450, and any move towards 2250, I would be a buyer as a trader. And talk of the little longer term, Bajaj Auto at 1950 has made a bottom, is what I would think. And if you talk of the next 3 to 6 months, a 27-2800 range is also very likely.
Just want to mark another lot of earnings. So, Bajaj Auto was one big stock story of the session, and on the flip side, there was Tata Steel, punished post its earnings. Not that the commodity space has been fancied by the markets, given the pressures there and cyclical headwinds, but you had BofA ML talk about maintaining a buy on Tata Steel, a target at 500. Q4 disappoints, one-off hits the India business. And Morgan Stanley also saying that, they are not very upbeat about the cycle, essentially talking about how there has been a miss in earnings on that. Come to you, Sandeep, on Tata Steel, more downside, or do you think that, given the targets and valuations, there could be again a case to buy the stock at these levels?
Tanvir, I am the wrong person to talk of valuations. What I understand is the price, and what I understand of the price today is that it has broken a very strong support at 351, the prior swing low, and with phenomenally high volumes. So that suggests that at least a 5 to 7% trading downside in the next few trading sessions, which can even translate to a 10-12% downside. So at a current level of 342, I won't be surprised if a 310, 315, probably even a 300 range is tested. The prior swing low has been around 311. So I won't be surprised if that is tested, if not broken.
Ambarish, your view, Tata Steel avoid?